Articles of impeachment have been filed against Governor DeWine. State Representative John Becker of Claremont County is accusing the governor of violating the Ohio and U.S. constitutions and part of the Ohio Revised Code in his handling of the coronavirus. However, Ohio Republican Party leader Jane Timken blasted Becker and supporters of his move, calling it, quote, a baseless, feeble attempt at creating attention for themselves, end quote.